So you've watched all my videos, right? And you finally got that little shorty in your bed and you're getting all ready and there she is. She's looking all hot and ready in your bed. She's ready for you. She's ready for some action. And boom, you pull out the hammer and you realize you're rocking a mallet. You can't get it up is what I'm trying to say. Now guys, this isn't as uncommon as you may think. 52% of guys suffer with ED or erectile dysfunction. And in this video, we're going to talk about what you can do about it. So if that sounds like a plan, go ahead, hit subscribe. If you're new here, my name is Ricky Lowe and I talk about men's self-improvement, dating, fitness, red pill, you name it. If it talks about improving your life and changing your life in a positive direction, I will talk about it, or I have talked about it. With all that being said, let's get into it. Now, I'm not talking about Viagra or Cialis, the blue pill, although those do 100% work. No, I'm giving you the steps to get back to naturally rocking solid, rocking hard and ready to go, okay? With, not trying to get sus about that, but now, believe it or not, a lot of what causes ED or erectile dysfunction is all up here in this head, not that head. You might think that there's something wrong with you. You might think that, oh, what's going on with my Johnson? It's not doing its thing. Well, here's the deal. A big reason why you have erectile dysfunction is you watch way too much pornography, right? I made the video called why you gotta stop beating your meat. I made the video stop watching porn. I made a few videos on semen retention, no fap, right? Guys, you gotta stop watching porn. It gets to your head. You see all these very, very attractive girls that are very unrealistic in porn, and you think that they're gonna look right in all the right angles and all that stuff, and when you get there, and when you're with a very attractive chick, right, which I feel like that's when it happens to most to guys, is they get nervous and they're not. I feel like this happens the most with more attractive women, because you get the girl in your bed and you don't feel confident enough. You don't feel like you deserve her, quote unquote. And guys, it's all in your head. It's all in your head. This head. Stop thinking that there's something wrong with you because you can't get it up, guys. You gotta start eating more healthy, right? Here is a supplement that you can actually take to increase blood flow, CoQ10. If you want, I can put a link in the description. I will not be making any money off of it because I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but CoQ10 I found has increased my blood flow. I've never experienced any issues with erectile dysfunction or anything like that, but if that is you, if you are experiencing these type of issues, there's really no need to go see a doctor and waste your time. Just stop watching porn and start getting more confident in yourself. Those are the two biggest things. Once you take care of that, and here's another thing. You might be like, well, I stopped watching porn for 3 days. Guys, it takes a lot longer than that. Try a month. Try a month of no porn and hitting the gym, drinking enough water, which is a big thing, taking your CoQ10, taking you can get blood flow supplements at Walgreens for like $20, man. Start taking these things and see how you do. Be on NoFap. See how you do, how you get erections. I promise you will see results. If you don't see results from that in 30 days, DM me on Instagram and we'll talk about it. But that's the main key to get rid of erectile dysfunction. You gotta stop watching all the porn. You gotta stop beating your meat every day. You have to get your life together. You gotta get healthy in the gym, right? You have to start getting more confident in yourself. And all this stuff comes, it's all grouped in together. You gotta start drinking more water, right? I recommend drinking a gallon of water a day. That's actually gonna help you with getting stronger, harder erections. right? So that's pretty much all that I can think of. But if you're struggling with ED and you do these things for 30 days and you don't see results, DM me on Instagram and we'll talk about it, right? I'm not going to try and sell you some type of a course or supplement or anything for erectile dysfunction. That would be silly. That would be childish. I'm not Ron Jeremy. I'm not going to, this pill will make your cock bigger in 10 days or whatever, right? I'm not going to do any of that. But if you like this content, if you want to continue to improve your life, if you want to gain that confidence that I talked about, if you want to check out my videos on NoFap, go ahead, hit subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps me out. I appreciate you. If you're on the podcast version, go ahead and leave a 5-star review. And with all of that being said, guys, I am out of here.